Mr. Emil Robbins, he's not on the docket for today. He's scheduled for July 11th, and the show cause for the 8th. So on July 11th, we can put all those cases together and deal with all of them.
Understood. Can I release him?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, your hair is gorgeous. Look.
Mr. Robbins,
Yes,
you're not on the docket today. You actually have another court date. Did you get that, Mr. Bachman, his next date?
Yeah, we did speak about that, Mr. Robbins. We need you to come back on July 11th to resolve your cases, okay?
well, I was on the docket because I had a 36th district court for today. All right, I'll come back July.
Yeah, it's not affecting your driving status. You and I have talked about you should go to the Secretary of State right away, okay?
I will. Thanks for the
And
tip.
then
I hope
you're
it,
welcome. Come back on July 11th. Everything will treat you real nice, especially if you get your license back.
did the judge hear you?
He hears everything.
All right, goodbye.
All right, have a good day.
All right, so this is the people versus Joshua Red, ticket number 405-958, count 1, open intoxicant. Count 2, no operator's license on in possession. Ticket number P1254239, count 1, disregard signal red or amber, drive on license suspended. And ticket number P1149632, count 1, drive on license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P728762, count 1, drove on license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 1361661, count 1, no operator's license in possession. And this is in default. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your full name, please, sir.
Joshua D'Angelo Red.
Thank you. We're asking that these matters be set for trial. Please and thank you, Your Honor. The defendant is aware of his right to a jury trial. He's going to waive that and ask for a bench trial by way of Zoom.
Okay, Mr. Red, can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial? Do you understand you
Yes.
have the right? Okay. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial, August 4th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
No, that you said August 4th at 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, you are all set.
All right. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
You too, thank you. Mr. Dupree, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor. I brought him out. I brought him out.
I tried to, he wasn't coming out, so I just closed the room out, sorry.
Okay.
But he's the only one in there. All right, this is the people versus Michael Davis, ticket number P1205915, count 1, disregard signal red or amber, count 2, no proof of insurance, count 3, expired plate. Ticket number P1205913, count 1, improper plate. Ticket number SP1283336, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P1283327, count 1, careless driving. Count 2, registration plate or violation. See, that's it. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Dupree.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Matthew Dupree, P80132, attorney for the defendant. Mr. Davis, state your name, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Michael Davis. Michael Davis.
That's it. Okay.
Judge, we do have a proposed resolution of this matter under which the defendant would be pleading guilty to a single charge of improper plates and taking responsibility for two charges, limited access 6 and a 10 and expired plates, with the remaining charges being dismissed. I will note, Your Honor, 2 of those charges are currently in default, but should not be in default. So I guess we would begin with a motion to move those out of default.
Okay. So those will be removed out. Okay, they'll be set aside. The default will be set aside on the matters that are in default. And I'm sorry, you said the offer was,
One count of improper plates,
let's
One-
got it. And then you said limited access.
6 to 10,
Okay. And then the expired plate.
correct.
Okay. I didn't see that on here, but. I'm sure that- Okay. Let me take a look.
Right, one, two, we went through a couple of them. Okay, let me put that down, this, 6 to 10, thank you, Your Honor.
I just want to make sure. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, so Mr. Davis, can you raise your right hand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Dupree today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes. Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of May 27, 2021, at approximately 4:03 p.m. On that date and time, you at or near the location of 7 Mile in Edinburgh, in the city of Detroit.
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you driving a 2004 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Do you have your proper plates?
No.
Your plates were not improper, they were proper?
No, they were improper, Your Honor.
Okay, you're satisfied, Mr. Dupree?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, and then you stipulate to the face of the ticket for the civil infractions?
I do, Your Honor. Or we do.
So- All right, so then count 1 is amended to limited access. I think was it 6 to 10 miles per hour over speed limit?
Correct, Your
And
Honor.
then the other one was expired plates. We will proceed to sentencing. Give me just 2 seconds. Oh, you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So those are dismissed without prejudice. All right, so for the improper plates, I will waive that fine for limited access. It's gonna be $135 and then so it's gonna be a total of $280 that you have to pay Mr. Davis. That would be due on July 12th. Can you have it paid by then, or would you like to do community service?
I like to do community service.
Okay. Okay, give me 1 moment. So. We'll do, 28 hours of community service. You can, are you working right now?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so then, I mean, 28 hours, you can get that done in a couple weeks.
Okay.
So so have that done by July. Okay, so you can come.
Honor.
July 12.
That's 2 weeks.
So we'll do July 12th. I'm gonna give you a phone number that you need to, so come back on July 12th at 8:35 to show proof that you completed the community service. You should get it done pretty quickly. If you're not working, you can do like a couple full days.
Uh,
And- Yes, sir.
if you could stretch it out a little bit, you know, the heat, and I got shot twice in the chest. So
I think it'll be fine. It doesn't, just because it's hot outside doesn't necessarily mean the community service will be outside. Could be indoors.
okay. I'm thinking outside on the freeway.
Yeah, that's what you thought, like you were gonna be picking up trash alongside the freeway? Not necessarily. So I call, do you have a pen and paper ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm gonna give you a phone number. Call this one, the woman's name is Miss Green.
Ms.
The
Green.
number is 213-965-8130. And speaking of Ms. Green, she'll tell you how to, help you get your community service set up, and let her know any disabilities that you have, and
Okay.
she'll accommodate you.
Okay. Could I 313-965-8130?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Green, got it.
All right. So then you're gonna come back on July 12th at 8:35.
Is that in court?
Yes, sir.
July 12th.
I think he meant if that was in person, Judge. I assume that's on Zoom.
No, it's on Zoom. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. On Zoom.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Dupree.
Thank you, Your Honor.
One more question. So that's a total of 7 tickets, correct?
Yes, I mean, a lot of them were dismissed. So, and I waived the fine. You pled responsible to 2 civil infractions and 1 misdemeanor. I waived the fine for the misdemeanor, but I couldn't do anything with the civil infraction. And so you're gonna do the 28 hours of community service for those, and then everything else is dismissed.
Okay.
So
And
you've been handed a solid today.
yeah,
I think
Okay.
the only reason he was asking is because there's been so much of the only reason I was appointed was because things kept falling to the side and not getting handled. And I think he just wanted to make sure everything had all been addressed, Judge. And we do appreciate the court's assistance.
I believe it has been.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Dupree, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you,
welcome.
Judge.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Stay safe.
You read anything else?
Mr. Officer Hill, judge is still, he can be released. We just did his case.
Well, what case is he on, Officer Hill?
Michael Davis, we just did his case.
Oh, yes. Oh, I'm sorry. You didn't take your name for the record. I'm sorry. Yes, you can be released. Sorry about that.
You still need the name?
Did you want to take your name for the record? I mean, if you want.
Yeah, it's Police Officer Kyle Hill, 8th Precinct, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you, sir. I'm sorry about that. And you state your name.
Thank you.
All right, thank you so much.
Who could I bring out the waiting room?
You can bring out, Deion Daniels. Dominique Diggs.
You mean William Daniels?
I got a Dean Daniels, I'm sorry.
Dean,
Or
Daniel.
Daniel Deans.
You know what? I think
He's there, he's in the waiting room.
because I don't see him on mine. Okay, who else?
You see him in the waiting room, right?
Hold on. Yes, I got him. And who else?
Okay. Dominique Diggs,
Who else?
William Daniel.
Hey, how you doing?
Mr. Dean Lemonade Truck, put your phone on mute. And who else?
Andre Richardson,
Next.
Anthony.
Yes, hello?
Huh?